Okay, so these are most of the utensils I will be using. So these are only dishes that I have. Okay, so as you can see, I have the Oreos. I'm going to open them. Next time I'll make a pack of Oreos. I'll use a pack of Oreos because they were gone real quickly. And yeah, but anyway, I use a row and a half for the truffles because it's my first time making them. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to use my utensils that I have. These are the best ones I found, but you can use a fork or anything to crush it up. But if you have a processor, you can use that, blend it up, or you could probably try to use a blender. I don't know, but just crush them up until you have like very like crumbs or fine crumbs. Yeah. So these are how they look at the ending result. Okay, so you want to add cream cheese, any kind you prefer. The cheapest kind, the most expensive one, whatever you want to use. And again, if you make all the Oreos like one full pack, it's best if you go ahead and just use 2 cream cheese, like 2 packs. But just make sure you look in the description down below because I'll have all the ingredients and everything that I use. Okay, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so you can use a spatula or your hands, but I prefer to use spatula so my hands don't get messy, and it's just easier for me to use spatula. results of how they look. And if you use a refrigerator, 30 minutes, and in the freezer, 15 minutes. Okay, so you just want to mix until it looks like this type of chocolate. Okay, so you just want to throw the Oreo truffle in the chocolate and mix it over. Like, just mix it up. And that's my little brother. And okay, so anyway, you want to use a spoon or a fork, or you could just make it like a cake pop and use a skewer if you want to. That'd be better. Probably better, yeah. But I just use a spoon. Okay, so now I'm going to use the white chocolate chips and melt them. And then when you melt them, do the same thing, just mix it up. But then, yeah. So melt them for a while. Okay, so I just wanted to show the finished results of how it looks when you mix it up. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna drizzle it over the Oreo Truffles. Just make little designs if you can or if you want to. And that's all I'm doing. You can also use a spoon or a fork if you want to if that makes it easier for you. But for me, the Ziploc bag, because I don't have a parchment bag, it makes it easier for me. Okay, so this is the finished result. So I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for more.